In today's digital world, gaming has evolved far beyond its humble beginnings. What once started as simple pixels on a screen has transformed into a vibrant universe of endless possibilities, where technology and creativity collide. Now, gaming is a complex, immersive experience that draws players into breathtaking worlds and stories. The games of today demand power, speed, and precision, qualities that far surpass what yesterday's machines could ever deliver. The difference is night and day. Only the strongest systems can keep up, rendering vast, detailed worlds in real time, with no lag or compromise. Every detail, every shadow, every sound, created instantly, requiring immense processing power and advanced hardware, working in perfect sync. A lesser machine stutters and struggles. A true gaming PC glides effortlessly through the digital jungle, letting you experience the game as it was meant to be played. We're entering a new generation of technology, unlocking worlds we once only imagined. The future of gaming is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Each component is a building block, chosen for strength, speed, and harmony, ensuring every part works together seamlessly. The goal is a balanced system where every part, from the processor to the graphics card, works in perfect unison, delivering games exactly as their creators intended. This isn't just about playing. It's about truly experiencing games in their purest, most immersive form, where you become part of the adventure. Welcome to the beginning of the ultimate build, where your dream gaming experience becomes reality. At the heart of this machine is the Ryzen 9 99950X3D, a processor that represents the pinnacle of modern computing power. It's not just a component, it's the brain that brings every digital world to life, orchestrating every action with precision and speed. With its advanced Zen 5 architecture and innovative 3D V-Cache technology, the 9950X3D delivers lightning-fast performance that sets a new standard for gaming CPUs. Every core is engineered for efficiency, ensuring that no moment is wasted, and every command is executed instantly. This processor handles countless tasks at once, from running complex game logic to managing background processes, ensuring smooth, responsive gameplay even in the most demanding titles. Multitasking is effortless, letting you stream, chat, and play without missing a beat. The 3D V-Cache acts like a burst of extra energy, giving instant access to critical gaming data and reducing latency to a minimum. This means faster load times, quicker reactions, and a competitive edge in every match. It adapts intelligently, boosting power when needed for intense moments, and staying cool under pressure thanks to its efficient thermal design. You get peak performance without worrying about overheating or slowdowns. The CPU builds the game's logic and physics, feeding the graphics card everything it needs to render stunning visuals and immersive worlds. It's the silent partner that makes every frame possible. Without this powerful heart, even the best graphics card would fall short, unable to reach its full potential. The CPU and GPU work together, but it's the 9950X3D that leads the charge. The 9950X3D is the lifeblood of the ultimate gaming experience, ensuring every moment is fast, fluid, and unforgettable. Meet the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, the eyes of our digital beast. This isn't just a graphics card, it's the heart of a new era in gaming technology, designed to push the boundaries of what's possible on your screen. It transforms raw data into stunning visuals, blurring the line between game and reality. Every pixel bursts with color and detail, making every scene feel alive and immersive. Ray tracing simulates real-world light, creating lifelike shadows and reflections. Nighttime cityscapes shimmer with wet pavement, and every light source behaves just as it would in reality. DLSS uses AI to boost frame rates and clarity, delivering smooth, beautiful gameplay. Even in the most intense action, you'll experience crisp visuals and seamless motion. Powered by Blackwell architecture and RT cores, it handles 4K and beyond with ease. No matter how demanding the game, the RTX 5080 keeps everything running flawlessly. Every texture is sharp, every effect brilliant, every movement fluid. From the smallest detail to the grandest spectacle, nothing is lost. No compromises, just pure, breathtaking immersion. You're not just playing, you're stepping into a world crafted with precision and artistry. The RTX 5080 lets you experience games exactly as the artists intended. Every vision, every world, every story is delivered with stunning fidelity. It's a window into digital worlds, clear and vast. Explore landscapes and universes that feel limitless, all from your own desk. This is next-level gaming vision, where imagination meets technology, and every game becomes an unforgettable experience. Building the ultimate PC is about perfect harmony. The Ryzen 9 9950X3D and RTX 5080 work in sync, no bottlenecks, just balance. Fast DDR5 memory ensures the CPU gets data instantly. A Gen 5 NVMe SSD loads massive worlds in seconds. The case provides airflow, keeping components cool and stable. Efficient cooling fans act as the system's lungs, maintaining peak performance. A robust power supply delivers clean, stable energy to every part. Every choice matters. Each component supports the ecosystem. The result? A stable, powerful machine built for longevity. This is the art of the ultimate build. The machine awakens, lights on, fans spinning, ready for action. This is no ordinary PC. It's the apex predator of gaming. Games run flawlessly with ultra-high frame rates and 4K clarity. Ray tracing brings worlds to life with stunning realism. Competitive gamers gain an edge. Adventurers lose themselves in seamless worlds. No loading screens, no glitches, just pure immersion. This build is a testament to human ingenuity and passion for play. It stands at the top of the digital food chain. This is truly the ultimate gaming beast.